Hello, welcome to this week's update on foreign exchange. We'll begin with the dollar index. I said at the end of last week there was a minor positive but not a support, so it wasn't a signal to get long. We've just drifted lower through the week and we're really bang smack in the middle of the range, so not a lot to go on at the moment. Onto the euro dollar. That was giving us a negative at the end of last week at minor resistance, which was a daily level. That signal has failed, broke out of the top on Wednesday, and if we are going to get any action, it's getting towards Christmas now, but 116.17 is a distant target, and we've got 109.10 below. Most action was really on the pound this week. We had the election, panic over, and there was some negatives through the week, but not at resistance. And then after the election, then we've spiked higher pretty quickly, briefly, hit that upside target of 133.82. It's currently below that. It's going to have to now make a daily close above the spike high from Friday in order to get some more upside, and then that would create a long-term target of 143.45. Dollar yen had some positives through the week. Big move on Thursday, but not at support, so nothing really to particularly hang on to. There's no reason to be short, that's for sure, but the references are still quite a long way away. Aussie dollar had the positives from a couple of weeks ago, drifted lower, and then big move up on Wednesday, and still on that upside room. Long-term target is 72.07. Kiwi minor negative during the week, would have been a partial profit taking point, but really getting closer to its target of 66.75. Sorry, 66.75. Move on to dollar CAD. Negative the week before, but it was into support, and it's pretty quiet really. It's drifted lower throughout the week, but again, not much to go on. As we've had such finally all this Brexit nonsense and stuff on the pound is over. We assume it is anyway. It's probably worth looking at some of the cross rates on the pound. Start off with the euro pound. Been in a pretty steep downtrend since August. Held below the final monthly support. We had a spike higher on Thursday, but as you can see, there is no support. Do the pound Swiss. Pound Swiss, again you've had that spike today, but there is no resistance until 144.76. Do the pound yen. Pound yen also in breakout mode, so very, very powerful support at 141.51, and nothing until 241. Wow. Pound Aussie. Also above its final resistance. Been pretty quiet though, but you can see that everything's below. Pound Kiwi. Different story there. Stuck in sideways. Big resistance at 205.63. So it's got to make I would say a weekly close above that. You can see how that level held back in October, but not doing a great deal. Finally, pound CAD, also in breakout mode, so 170.96 is the key support. Okay, next week will be the last update until the new year. Okay, bye bye.